Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Every Wednesday I teach two different groups of Ukrainian teachers of English. And every week I find something inspiring in what they tell me. I really admire their courage and their creativity and flexibility and resilience in the face of what has been a truly awful year for all of them. One thing that's always really struck me is what people can end up getting used to. The other day, one of my students, while she was talking, you could suddenly hear air raid sirens going off behind her. And I said, shouldn't you probably get to the basement or hide in a shelter? And she sort of shrugged and went, it'll pass in a minute. And I think this kind of feeling of basically kind of no longer being worried about things that maybe you once were worried about is probably quite common in these kinds of situations. You end up getting quite blasé about air raid sirens. You get quite blasé about having to teach from a bunker somewhere. You get quite blasé about having to join lessons from your phone because your power's been knocked out, and so on. If you say that someone is blasé or gets quite blasé about something, you basically mean that they're no longer worried or excited or enthusiastic about things that most other people would find quite worrying or quite exciting. So maybe if you're in the public eye quite a lot, you end up getting quite blasé about being on TV. Other people say, wow, you're on TV. And you're thinking, again. Maybe if you have a kind of high-powered job, you end up getting quite blasé about flying business class because you've just done it so many times. Living here in London, you get quite blasé about spotting celebrities because it happens a fair bit. Also here in London, less fortunately, our government was incredibly blasé about COVID to begin with. And look where that got us, the highest death rate from COVID in Europe. And I guess just generally in life, most people are pretty blasé about things until they're directly affected by them. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use blasé.